In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the Python interpreter error. For example, if you use the PyCharm or any Python-based IDE, maybe it will work better. When you use Visual Code Studio, Visual Code Studio written for many languages. You can do Java, Python, JavaScript, um, Rust, .NET, I mean any programming language or a PHP, Ruby, all programming languages you can do within the Visual Code Studio editor. It's one of the powerful and lightweight, one of the fastest IDE that I ever used. I was using the Eclipse editor for more than a decade, at least for 15 years, but um, the Visual Code Studio really looks very light. Um, I very recently bought a new Mac, and I switched from old Mac to new Mac, but somewhat the new Mac get into the problem where all the Python related the keywords or import packages you see, right? So like you see this is the import, or even there are the codes like you see the none, the string. So these are all basically Python related keywords, I would say. The none, string, length, true, false, these are all Python own keywords. These are all started throwing error in the editor. However, when I compile this, I don't see any issue. Everything looks okay. Only the Visual Code Studio could not recognize these keywords that I'm trying to solve here. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. I show some of the API keys, something like this, and you may wonder that I'm exposing my API keys. Don't worry about that. These are all the short-lived API keys, and just created a dummy for the particular video capturing. So these API keys will not work. Here anyway, I'm not teaching anything about the code of what you see here. It's all about we are looking at this particular the keyword related issue. Okay. So in order to solve that, what I do, I go ahead and put the cursor over there to find out what it is really causing this particular trouble. So it says that unresolved import, and the this is something like PyDev is what report this particular error. Okay, then what I did, you need to go, I mean just I copy this, okay, the PyDev, and you need to go to the extension manager. Here you need to search exactly, I mean you might go and install whatever the extension you need. Extension is nothing but a plugin, or in your mobile app you go to the Play Store, you add additional apps to your phone, right? Something like that. If you go to the extension pack within this code studio, you need a Python, you need a Java, you need a PHP facilities. You can just go and click the extension. I mean this menu will vary to your system and my computer, because I added other supports like GitLens and Docker, um, other testing tool and everything. So this icon will vary system to system based on your setup, but this extension will be sure, I mean it will be there in your computer. Just go and search the PyDev. Okay, so it says that the PyDev, this is what it reports. Okay, I mean there are not many people installed, it's a very few. Okay, Python PyDev language server, this is enabled globally, and so this is the tool, it is causing the issue according to the error state. But however, I'm sure this code is correct. Okay, what I'm going to do is simply, maybe I can disable, uh, better I can uninstall, because if I need I can install it back anytime. Okay, as I uninstall, it will ask that reload is required. All you need to just click the reload. Visual Code Studio will automatically close by self and reopen automatically. So after it open, give a couple of seconds and see, things are now okay, right? So the errors are gone, all looks okay. So sometime, I mean just we touch the the extension package. So if you install some of the packages, I mean extensions which are with this particular icon, the info icon, okay, something like that, you can go and find out, okay, this is deprecated, right? This is no longer maintained by the original developer, or maybe they completely removed this particular extension. So it's better, all such a cases you can uninstall them. Okay, I mean it's not going to trouble you in any way, but as long as it is really deprecated, better you can uninstall if you are really sure that you no longer required. Okay, so similarly I'm removing the Angular 2 4 upcoming whatever this error. Okay, after I delete, I mean I just leave this, I just wanted to tell you how it works. Okay, so let me go ahead and find out whether this is really solved in all other places or only this file. Okay, I think all file got solved. Okay, superb. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching. So if you have any question, please put that into the comment section. Thank you.